Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to add Discord audio to OBS Studio. I already have the latest version of OBS Studio installed. First open Discord, then minimize it and open OBS Studio. In OBS, go to the source panel and add application audio capture. Rename it to Discord. After that, select the Discord window. Once you do this, OBS will start capturing the audio from Discord. Next, open the volume mixer in OBS and set the desktop audio level to 0. This is important because it prevents echo. If you want to capture your game audio, you can add another audio capture and select your game. Muting desktop audio helps avoid duplicate sound and echo issue. That's it. Your Discord audio should now be captured in OBS Studio. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.